move on. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, like, comment. And when you comment, you see, when you comment, I get a feedback. Okay, I get feedbacks. Then I can be able to improve at a repeat pace. And yeah, all that is left just unlimited possibilities. But if you like and subscribe and comment, that means we are moving forward. Yeah. So the price elasticity. It shows how the price changes. Shows how the price changes the demand or the supply. How this price of ours changes what? The demand or the supply, or how this price alters or manipulates. Yeah, but these terms, no, couple of about, so just say it shows how the price changes the demand or supply. Okay, yeah. So, for example, the price of a lunch bar chocolate increases from let's see, from 10 rand to 20 rand. So people like me, people like me. So we stopped buying that chocolate, and now we are starting to buy similar chocolate like Kit Kat chocolate, because it is cheaper, and it is the best alternative for a lunch bar. So this shows us that lunch bar chocolate is price elastic. So number 2, price inelastic. It shows that the price does not necessarily change the demand or the supply in a short time period. Meaning what? The demand or the supply stays the same or changes a little bit due to price changes. That's price inelastic. It shows that the price does not necessarily change the demand or the supply in a short time period. Yeah, the reason I repeat this is because it is tricky. This price elasticity that's where most of the learners get confused. So yeah, I was once a learner. I was doing my matric last year. I got 2023. I was doing a Greek. Okay, let's move on. The price of 5-liter bottle. The price of 5-liter water bottle increases. So people continue to buy that 5-liter water bottle, even though it is too expensive to buy that. So they keep on buying. So let's just say 5-liter water bottle. It was 20 rand. Yeah? Now it's 30 rand. Hey, people keep on buying. Buying. So this shows that 5-liter water bottle is price inelastic. Right. Resilient. Resilient. It's resilient. So no matter, so water is part of basic needs. You can't live without water. You will die without water. Or no, you will not die, but you will be dehydrated. And it's not good. So let's move on.